Namaste, welcome to another interesting video. In today's video, I'm doing an unboxing of a office chair that has double cushioned high back from Green Soul Company branded, made in India. So it's really awesome with 3 years brand warranty. So so and so and so and so 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 let's check into the box what's inside. So here it is, really good packaging, looks premium. This cushion, the stitching here, and this base wheel looks premium. So here is the gas lift, and let's open this one. It is so this is the gas lift, hydraulic gas lift. So looks premium. This one gas lift cover. I think it's just an instruction as to how to assemble the chair. They provide the instruction, so it's too easy. So it's very easy to assemble it. So let's look into the assemble part. So base wheel, this looks really premium. Wow. So there's the gas lift. So just the place this gas lift and place this gas cover. And there is a small hole on the here, so we need to place it next to rocking butterfly mechanism. that's it. That's it, guys. It's so easy, no? Okay, guys, who are looking for a best chairs, best office chair, this is the best one I preferred. So it looks really premium, pretty decent one. I told you, already explained the features. So looks comfortable, the cushioning part and the neck. So it's superb. But this product they were selling at a pretty decent amount with a discount. So please visit the website who are looking for this chair. So, and it has an ergonomic design, so it feels comfortable. So this, that's it. So, and 360-degree rotational. So if you want to buy this chair, so you are planning to buy this office chair, so I given the below description, so below link. So go to that link and apply the coupon code and you will get it. So they were providing 3 years and they were giving 3 years of warranty. Here, after getting the product, you have to send an email to them. They will provide a certificate. Says the 3 years warranty. So at this price, it has an ergonomic design, double cushioning, so butterfly mechanism. So best price. So what is 3 years warranty? So that too Indian brand. This is an Indian brand, Ergonomic. They started by 2016, the Green Soul. So that's it. So here I am ending this video. So hope everyone liked this video. So who are planning to buy this product, buy it. Okay, guys. Again, I will meet you in the next video. So hope I can't travel. No, because after Corona now floods everywhere, heavy rainfall. So let me think. So if it's possible, let's try. Okay, guys, thank you so much. So keep watching, keep supporting us. Please do subscribe my channel. Bye bye.